Hi guys. So in this video, we will see how we can actually build a simple make.com scenario where as soon as a new lead from Facebook comes in, we are immediately notified on Telegram. So the reason why I'm building this is because I just lost a new client because I was late to follow up. By the time I called him, some other agency were actually able to close that client. So we don't want that to happen anymore. So let's start building this. Let's start by creating a new scenario. For the first module, let's choose Facebook and new lead on Facebook. For the webhook, let's add a new webhook. Let's name it as Solid Facebook webhook. And if you have already connected your Facebook account, you can see that here. And for the page, let's search for the page name and it can automatically find the page ID and fill it here. Let's choose the form that is associated and the form that we actually want to listen for new leads. This is the form that I want to select. Click on save. Yeah, for the fields, let's select all the fields. If you only want necessary fields, you can choose that. But for now, I'm selecting all the fields. Click on save and Facebook module is now completed. Let's now move to the second one, which is Telegram module. Let's add a new module, which is Telegram. For Telegram, what we need to choose is send a text message or reply. And now we need to connect. Now we need to configure all of these fields. For this scenario, we only need chat ID and the text. In order to get the chat ID, let's now create a temporary scenario in Make. Let's choose Telegram. Now let's choose watch updates. Let's create a new webhook. Let's name it as RV Telegram webhook. Let's create a new connection. Now we need to get a new Telegram bot in order to get the token. Let's name the connection as RV Telegram connection. In order to get the token, open Telegram, go to bot further, click on start, new bot. Let's now call it RV Telegram bot. Let's use the same username RV Telegram bot. Now the bot is actually created. We have the token listed here. Copy that token and paste it here. Click on save, wait for it to load. Click on save again. Click on save again. Now let's run the scenario once and go to Telegram. Open the chat window of the newly created bot. Click on start. As soon as you send that message, you can see these operation details here. Open message, chat. You can see that we have a ID here. This is the actual chat ID that we need to provide on this box. Paste that here. And for text, this is the actual message that we receive on Telegram when new leads come in. So we can customize it however we want. But for now, I will just receive. And for all the details, let's add full name. Click on full name. Now let's add email. Click on email. For now, I will only add these two fields since we are actually testing everything. Let's click on save. Now that scenario is also added. Now let's run the scenario once. Now I want you to go to this page, choose the page that you want to test, and the product will be lead retrieval. Choose the appropriate form and just create lead. As soon as you create lead, you can see that the scenario will start running. Yeah, now we have an error, which let's see what the error is. It is showing as unauthorized. Check the connection field. So if you open the connection, you can see that we need to choose the appropriate connection. We named it as RV Telegram connection, right? So let's choose that, click on save, run once, create the lead again. The scenario now ran successfully, and if you open Telegram, you can see that we have received the message. And with that, our entire scenario is now working. We can also add more details like phone number, and if you add phone number, click on save, run once, and if you again delete that lead and create the lead again, you can see that the scenario will start running and we will receive the message with new fields. So that's how you can actually create a simple make.com workflow. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, leave a like and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.